strange sounds were heard across Terrace, BC early yesterday morning and lasted for about 10 minutes. Speculation about what caused it ranges from the aurora borealis to aliens, or it could just be a prank. But similar sounds have been recorded in other parts of BC and reported in other locations around the world.
Hello, thrill seekers, and welcome back to Legend Discoveries. Today's episode delves into a fascinating auditory mystery that's been stirring up fear and confusion globally. Our focus for today, the eerie, unexplained sounds echoing across the skies in Israel and beyond. First things first, let's describe the chilling phenomena many people are reporting. Imagine this. You're going about your day, and suddenly you hear an earth-shaking sound, a sonic spectacle like a chorus of trumpets, or a cacophony of crashing metallic noises. But here's the catch. There's no visible source for these bone-rattling sounds. They seem to appear out of nowhere, reverberating through the air, powerful enough to be heard over vast distances. It's like the very fabric of reality is resonating with an eerie melody.
واو واو مزه.
The chilling phenomenon has incited fear and intrigue. Some have linked it to ominous phrases like end of the world, judgment day, and the apocalypse. Some relate it to the 7 trumpets of Revelation in the Bible, a series of catastrophic events that signify the end times. But that brings us to the questions we're going to grapple with today. What's happening here? Why aren't these video clips researched and discussed? And could this phenomenon have connections to biblical prophecies?
Maybe if we just went a bit further up, we might see something.
Shit, what was that?
Fuck knows. Oh, this is it. Maybe it wasn't 2012, it was 2013. Alright, okay. It's not an animal, is it? Hang on. Oh yeah, that was loud. Alright. Hang on, I've got to turn this off.
At face value, these strange occurrences can be downright frightening and inexplicable. However, I believe it's essential for us to approach these phenomena with curiosity and critical thinking. Why are these sounds not extensively researched? Could it be due to scientific limitations or perhaps a hesitation to delve into phenomena that stir mass panic and speculation? As for the biblical connection, it's indeed an intriguing thought. The sounds have often been likened to trumpets, evoking the biblical imagery of the 7 trumpets of Revelation. However, as we all know, interpreting religious text and prophecy can be subjective and deeply complex.
Mistä vitusta toi tulee?
So, friends, what do you think is behind these chilling sounds? Are we facing a spiritual battle, witnessing a natural wonder, or are we simply interpreting random noise patterns as something more due to our innate fear of the unknown? The conversation is open, and we can't wait to hear your thoughts. Remember, keep your curiosity alive, respect the unknown, and don't let fear stop you from seeking the truth. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep seeking the thrills. This is Legend Discoveries, signing off.